What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, Roblox video. In today's video, I just want to tell you guys that me and my friends are amazing YouTube channel will be in the description. Amazing trick will not I will be going to school, so yeah. We're starting tomorrow, guys. Are you nervous for we're going to grade 6, last year of elementary school for us. And yeah, I think this is gonna be, at least we're in the same class, right? Yeah, what the heck? Bruh, how do you, oh my god. Okay, let's go through door 2. Okay, good, yeah, we're playing doors, mate. Yo, have you seen the speed run? Okay, let's do this. By the way, Man City for life. Man City's gonna win the Prem again, bro. I don't care about Liverpool. If your soccer fans are watching this, well, yeah. So let's do this, bro. Let's do. Okay, so yeah, since school starting, I don't even have all my school supplies. Don't tell anyone. But since school starting, it's gonna be tricky to make more videos, you know, because of course we used to edit that and we're supposed to study. So yeah, we used to edit videos and yeah, you know, make stuff. Well, yeah. Well, editing videos was like, and doing study in the same day would be hard. So I might post like videos every once in a while, like maybe once every 2 days. Yeah, what my. Why hide, mate? Why hide? Oh no. Oh, what the? Yeah. Did you guys hear that? Oh my gosh, guys. What the? Bro. Yo, Chris, you guys see that? Monster attacked me, mate. Bro, I hide that. How did I not die? Bro, I mean, we finish that? Okay, bro. This game is wild. Yeah, we're playing out, yeah. But since school is starting, you know, we're not gonna make as much videos as we were. Like, yeah, but, yeah. Come on. The only thing about YouTube's that's really that, like, you know, I don't have YouTube Premium, so YouTube, please don't ban me. That's alright. Look at that. Where can you get on the screen? Okay, let's keep going. Yo, this looks so good, bro. This looks legit. There's a monster coming, I feel like. Yeah, I'm hiding. Bro, why is this? How is this game even created again? Bro, I'm just following Amazing Trick. So, yeah. Bro, why did he go in there? This is getting spooky, guys. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, because yeah, we can do more content. We 4 more subscribers and we get Evelyn kit. I want to even one of you guys get Evelyn kit, or any kit you guys want. Basically, I also yeah. 4 more subscribers. But on our old channel we hit 30 something subscribers. That was 36, I believe. Oh, that's our last. We're doing better though at the start than we were at, you know. I feel like something's coming. Nah, did you hear that, mate? I feel like I'm gonna get jump scared. No, let's keep going, amazing. Now we just ended up in the same. Guys, I feel like this will be the end of the video, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. If you want, guys, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe so we can get out of this weird place, guys. Are you scared for us? So then please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for fire. Anyways, that's it for today's video. If you want more, I'll see you guys in the next video. Later, peace.